اگر چنانچه یه وقتی هم در فرض محال قرار بود دولت جمهوری اسلامی با رژیم آمریکا مذاکره هم بکنه، با این دولت کنونی آمریکا هرگز مذاکره نمیکنه.
We're having direct talks with Iran, and they've started. It'll go on Saturday. We have a very big meeting, and we'll see what can happen. And I think everybody agrees that doing a deal would be preferable to doing the obvious. And the obvious is not something that I want to be involved with, or frankly, that Israel wants to be involved with if they can avoid it. So we're going to see if we can avoid it. But it's getting to be very dangerous territory. And hopefully those talks will be successful. And I think it would be in Iran's best interest if they are successful. We hope that's going to happen.